Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Ford F-450 diesel. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.